And today I'm at 101 Hilliards Park Drive in Wellington Point, and I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of this property that we currently have on offer for you. So as you can see, it's a brick and tile home with a double garage. I'll just give you a quick browse of the street so you can see it's a lovely street. Everybody seems to be, and I've got Luke in the edge of the video there. There is a park next door and everybody seems to mow their lawns, so quite a lovely spot in Wellington Point. So down the left hand side there is a side access gate and again on the right hand side as well. All the windows have screens. There is a security grille on the front door, and as we go through you'll see the paintwork is all in really good condition. It is ready to move into. The property is vacant now, ready for new people. There's plantation shutters in this room here. This is our formal lounge with air conditioning and dining area. Okay, so this goes through into another area which also could sit as a dining, kitchen and family room. So this area as well is air conditioned. Our kitchen has island bench top, 2-drawer dishwasher and large fridge space with gas cooking. That's a big 5-burner cooker and range hood. Now I did skip past the garage, so I will quickly show you in the double garage here. The laundry has been moved into here, so when you go through you'll see we have a little study inside the house, but the laundry is in the garage. All right, we'll pop into the bedrooms. So we've got 4 bedrooms in this home. Each room is carpeted with ceiling fans and also slider wardrobes as well. Okay, so that was bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 2. This one's got the swimming pool view. Okay, the main bathroom with a gorgeous deep bath. That's fantastic. Separate shower and toilet. So as I mentioned, this would have been the laundry, but it has been converted into a home office, sewing room, now probably what you've been waiting for is to have a look at the gorgeous outdoor area, which has ceiling fan, huge high ceiling patio and overlooks the swimming pool. Okay, down the side of the house there is room here. You could certainly remove the fencing here and be able to bring a trailer in through those gates if that was what you needed, maybe even a caravan. And I just wanted to pop down the back here so you can have a quick look over the back fence. Okay, so you do have a nature reserve behind you. Isn't that fantastic? Fantastic. So I hope you like what you've seen today. Certainly this type of home is not one to last very long. We'd love to see you at our open home, or feel free to reach out to me on mobile 0411 439 437 and we'll get you set up to make an offer on the property or come and have a look. Look forward to seeing you soon.